I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your MacBook Pro 2011 model identifier and available RAM. This determines compatible Mac OS builds. Once done, backup immediately. Time Machine or a full clone prevents data loss. Next, download the correct installer or prepare an 8 GB bootable USB. Use a second Mac if needed. Make sure the battery is charged and you have a wired internet connection. These first steps prevent interruptions and let you move to installation without risky guesswork. You boot holding Option and choose the USB installer. If the drive fails to appear, reset PRAM and try again. Once the installer loads, open Disk Utility to verify and repair the internal drive, or erase it if you want a clean install. Proceed with the installer, follow prompts, and let the machine complete multiple reboots. Don't interrupt. After installation, install Apple's combo updates and any firmware updates in sequence to ensure hardware compatibility and better stability for older models. You finish by restoring your files using Migration Assistant or selectively copying what you need. Take this moment to update apps and remove incompatible kernel extensions. Make sure Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and trackpad behave correctly and run Apple Diagnostics if hardware looks off. If the Mac won't boot, start in safe mode, reset PRAM/NVRAM, and try SMC reset. If problems persist, boot from the USB installer and reinstall or run first aid again. These troubleshooting steps recover most post-update issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.